thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, in this video, I'm not going to teach you anything about English. But in this video, I would like to give a tribute to both the legendary of India. I mean to say, as we know, we have lost two legendary from our country. And you know who are they? First of all, Mr. KK. We have lost a versatile and talented singer from India, from our country. You know Mr. KK, Mr. Krishna Kumar Kunnar. His full name is Mr. Krishna Kumar Kunnar, but we know him as KK. You know guys, and the second legendary singer from India and from Punjab, who is Mr. Sidhu Moosewala. Mr. Sidhu Moosewala. You know Mr. Sidhu Moosewala? His full name is Sukhdeep Singh Sidhu. Mr. Sukhdeep Singh Sidhu. So, in this video, I would like to tribute both of them because they both are legendary of our country. Why I am telling are? Because they are still alive. I don't think that they have passed away. I don't consider they have passed away because artists never pass away. It's my personal thinking. Art can never be died, and both are artists, so they are still alive. Okay, now I would give you some basic information. As I told you, KK full name is Krishna Kumar Kunnar, and he was born in 1968 to 2022. He was born in 1968 and he passed away. Okay, 2022. Next, occupation. Like as we know, Mr. KK, Indian playback singer. Mr. KK is the most popular Indian playback singer. Okay, guys. And the next one is Mr. Sidhu Moosewala. You know, as I told you, his full name is Sukhdeep Singh Sidhu, and he was born 11 June 1993. He was born 11 June 1993 and he died 29 May 2022. If I tell you his occupation, so he is professionally singer in Punjabi tone, and he was not only singer but also an actor. Political party. He has also joined political party. Name is Indian National Congress. So guys, I want to tell you, we have lost very versatile and talented singers from our country. Okay, so I would like to give them a tribute from the bottom of my heart, and may God make their soul rest in peace, because we don't find these type of artists. You know, we find these kind of artists rarely. No. So they both were, Mr. KK and Mr. Sidhu Moosewala, both are very versatile, and they both have done very good for our country. Okay, so I would like to salute both of them. Okay, and for some time I would like to have some more for them. Okay, it means I would like to tribute them that their family must get strength to face this problem. I can understand. Only wearer knows where shoe pinches. So I can understand the feeling of mother. You know, I have seen I have seen social media like Sidhu Moosewala, mother and father, they were continuously crying. They kept on weeping. So I can understand their pain, but may God give them strength to face this problem. On the other hand, KK, you know KK son, I would like to salute to the son of KK because he smiled. Because his father told him always be happy. So I also saw Mr. KK's son. He had strength to face the problem. Okay, guys. So now at the end, I would like to tell all of you, we should also do something good for our country before before losing our life. We should also do something good for our country, from which we can also become legendary. Okay, guys. So it means their life was short. They both legendary had a short life, but they lived like a lion. They both lived like a lion, and they did everything good in their life. So I would like to salute both of them, and I would like to give last tribute from my side. Okay, guys, make their soul rest in peace. So, guys, that's it for today, and take care of your health and keep on doing good deeds. Jai Hind.